Hey guys, so Hotwav has thrown its heart into the rugged smartphone ring with the Hyper 7 Pro, a device that promises durability without compromising on performance. Now let's break down what this phone has to offer. At first glance, the Hotwav Hyper 7 Pro is a tank. It is 18.4mm thick and it weighs 396 grams, which signifies a phone built to endure. The IP68 and IP69K ratings and military-grade standard 810H certification are your assurance of a device that can withstand water, dust, and extreme conditions. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset ensures you're future-proofed with 5G connectivity. While not a flagship processor, it should handle most tasks with ease. The 16GB RAM, which can be expanded up to 20GB virtually, and the 256GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB via a microSD card, offer ample storage for apps, photos, and videos. Running on Android 14, the Hyper 7 Pro benefits from the latest OS features and security updates. The star of the show might be the battery, a massive 10,800 mAh capacity coupled with 33 watts fast charging promises days of usage on a single charge. This is crucial for those venturing into environments where power outlets are scarce. The 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate is a pleasant surprise for a rugged phone. It offers smooth visuals for gaming and media consumption. The inclusion of a 1.45-inch rear display is an interesting touch, though its utility remains to be seen. But I believe it can be used for different functions, including checking time, notifications, playing music, and so on. Now the camera setup is ambitious. A 200MP main camera paired with a 24MP night vision camera is a compelling combination, guys. While megapixels don't guarantee great shots, it's still a promising spec sheet. The 32MP front camera should handle selfies and video calls adequately. So other features of the Hyper 7 Pro include Wi-Fi 6, NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, OTG, dual SIM, and so on, guys. So these are the top features of the Hyper 7 Pro. Personally, it's a rugged phone with a compelling feature set. It offers a blend of durability, performance, and battery life that could make it a compelling choice for outdoor enthusiasts, construction workers, or anyone seeking a phone that can handle life's toughest challenges. So that's it for the video, guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below about the Hyper 7 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.